Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. What if your front door didn't just lead to your house, but to your own private, 5-star retreat? Forget waiting for your next vacation. Today, we're exploring the pinnacle of leisure living, resort-style homes design. Resort-style design is all about blending the best parts of a luxury getaway, the serenity, the high-end finishes, and the absolute focus on leisure, into your daily life. We're going to define this luxurious architectural movement, detail its impressive benefits, show you exactly how to execute a 5-star exterior, and of course, count down the top 10 most magnificent resort-style homes to fuel your inspiration. Let's dive into luxury. Resort-style homes design is an architectural philosophy that prioritizes the homeowner's experience and well-being, translating the lavish amenities and calming atmosphere of high-end resorts into a residential setting. It's a move away from compartmentalized, traditional living toward an open, immersive environment. A few signature elements define this style. First and foremost is seamless indoor-outdoor transition, achieved using massive sliding or folding glass walls that disappear, physically and visually uniting the interior living spaces with the exterior patios, gardens, and crucially, the pool area. Secondly, the design utilizes a curated, high-quality material palette, often incorporating natural textures like stone, exotic woods, polished concrete, and tranquil water features. The overall design emphasizes horizontal lines, broad overhangs, and an uncluttered, open-concept floor plan that promotes relaxation and year-round entertaining. Ultimately, a resort-style home is engineered to be a private, luxurious oasis where every space, inside and out, contributes to a permanent feeling of being on vacation. Investing in a resort-style home is not just about aesthetics. It's a direct investment in a high-quality lifestyle that offers significant psychological and practical benefits. The most powerful advantage is the dramatic improvement in well-being and stress reduction. By integrating natural elements, abundant natural light, and tranquil views, especially of water, the home becomes a dedicated sanctuary, promoting a state of perpetual calm. Secondly, these homes are built for unparalleled entertaining and family enjoyment. The fluidity between interior and exterior spaces, centered around amenities like outdoor kitchens, fire pits, and pools, makes hosting effortless and enjoyable for both large gatherings and intimate family moments. Finally, there is a clear increase in property value and desirability. Resort-style homes are highly sought after in the luxury real estate market because they offer a unique, turnkey lifestyle experience that traditional homes simply cannot match, ensuring your investment is both a personal paradise and a savvy financial asset. The exterior is the star of the resort-style home, and making it look world-class requires planning that goes far beyond a simple patio setup. The focus must be on water and landscape integration. The pool should be designed as a feature, not just a place to swim. Think infinity edges, integrated spa areas, and dark bottom surfaces for a deep, reflective look. The landscaping must be lush, low maintenance, and architectural, using plants that contribute to the tropical or arid vibe, creating privacy screens and layering textures. Next, the outdoor furniture should mirror interior standards. Choose clean-lined, high-quality pieces made of durable, weather-resistant materials like teak, aluminum, and woven resin, complemented by plush, fade-resistant cushions in neutral or calming tones. Finally, master the architectural lighting. Exterior lighting should be strategically placed to highlight key features: uplighting on trees and textured walls, subtle perimeter lighting around the pool, and warm, dimmable fixtures in covered patios to create a soft, inviting ambience at night. Get ready to feel like you need a passport. Here are the top 10 best resort-style homes design ideas that blur the line between residence and retreat. One, the Infinity Edge Pool Vista. This is the defining feature of resort living. The pool's edge disappears, merging the water with the distant horizon, creating an uninterrupted visual line that enhances the sense of luxury and escape. 2. Seamless disappearing glass walls. This home uses massive pocket or bifold glass doors that completely slide away. When open, the living room literally becomes an extension of the outdoor patio and pool, achieving true indoor-outdoor integration. 3. Reflecting water feature entry. The entry path is lined with or crosses a shallow reflection pool. This immediate introduction to a tranquil water feature sets a tone of serenity and luxury from the moment one arrives. 4. Covered outdoor living pavilion. This dedicated, shaded structure, often featuring an outdoor kitchen, bar, or a lounge area, is essential for year-round entertaining, proving that outdoor space is just as important as the interior. 5. Stone feature wall and hearth. A textured stone wall, often extending from the interior through the glass wall to the exterior, adds a tactile, natural element. It creates visual continuity and highlights the architectural connection between spaces. 6. Floating steps and architectural lighting. The use of cantilevered steps over water or a lawn. Strategically placed LED strip lighting underneath creates a dramatic, gravity-defying effect at night, emphasizing the clean lines and sophistication. 7. The privacy-focused courtyard pool. In urban or suburban settings, the pool is placed within a walled courtyard. This design creates a completely private, sun-drenched sanctuary, maximizing the luxury experience without sacrificing seclusion. 8. Minimalist water channel/creek. Instead of a massive pool, a narrow, flowing water channel runs alongside the house. This simpler feature adds the soothing sound of moving water and visual cooling without dominating the landscape. 9. Lush vertical green wall. A large section of the exterior wall is covered in a living green wall or vertical garden. This biophilic design instantly adds vibrant color, texture, and a high-end, tropical resort feel. 10. Custom poolside cabana/bar. A dedicated structure near the pool with a built-in bar, lounge seating, and sometimes a restroom. It provides convenience and cements the feeling that the backyard is a self-contained luxury destination. Resort-style homes design is about crafting an intentional, luxurious life where every day feels like a break from the ordinary. By mastering the blend of water, natural materials, seamless transitions, and intelligent lighting, you don't just build a house, you build a private luxury ecosystem that rejuvenates your spirit and provides a magnificent setting for your life. It is the ultimate expression of modern, experiential living. I hope these top 10 concepts have transported you and inspired you to bring that 5-star feeling home. Which of these luxury resort features is non-negotiable for your dream design? Let me know in the comments below. If you are planning a custom build or renovation, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios. We are committed to bringing you the best in architectural and design innovation every week. Click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your permanent vacation.